So today we're going to be going over if statements. Basically, an if statement is if something is true, then do this. If something is not true, then do something else. So in this case, we have two tables here. We have the things that people can order, and then the people placing those orders. So the formula would be equals if we're looking at this person's order. If this person's order equals 1, then burgers and fries. If it's false, then chicken nuggets and fries. So in this case, they had ordered 1, so it would be burgers and fries. And if this was 2, then it would be chicken nugget and fries. And that's a regular if statement. Basically, there's only 2 outcomes. Then we have something called a nested if statement. It's if this, then look for this. If it's not that, then look for this. And if it's not that, then look at this. So we're going to add another item to this menu. We're going to add milkshakes and fries. In this case, we do if this person's order equals 1, then burgers and fries. Then we add another if. We're looking for something else. If this person's order is equal to 2, then we want chicken nuggets and fries. And then we want another if. If this person's order is equal to 3, then we want milkshakes and fries. And if this is not right, then we don't have that. So in this case, they ordered chicken nuggets and fries because they had a number 2 here. If we made that a 3, they would get milkshakes and fries. If we made that a 1, they would get burgers and fries. And if they had 4, we don't have that. In the case of Shai's example, where we only have one if statement, if we did a 3, we would still get chicken nuggets and fries. 4, 5, 6. There would never be a time where we wouldn't get chicken nuggets or burgers and fries, because our if statement says if they ordered a number 1, burgers and fries, if anything else, they're getting chicken nuggets and fries no matter what. Whereas in this case, we have kind of laid out every single if possibility, and then at the end, we just decided we don't have that. And those are if statements. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. All the links are down in the description, and I hope you guys were able to learn something. Bye-bye.